There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a cute one. He's a tiny one.
Yeah. It's a fish.
Look.
All right. Well, maybe it's going to turn on here again.
GoPro, stop.
Hey! Let me get your picture. Good one.
I was trying to do the alarm.
Gonna have to get more of those little spoon lures.
I was just trying to do the alarm.
Hey, that's a nice one.
Wow. That's a biggie.
You got one.
No.
Nice one. Yay! Oh! Almost. We saw it. I got it on camera. Good one, Gary.
I got my sleeve that trying to.
Uh-oh. You want to take your jacket off and take that shirt off so it doesn't get your jacket all wet. Cooking with Julia Child.
We've driven further and caught less.
Yeah. Yeah, we have. Telling lies and checking lines. So today on Cooking with Forsters Outdoors, we're having a classic ice fishing food here. This is going to be craft dinner with wieners. First you got to make the wiener water soup. Then you add the macaronis. Alright. Now we add the cheese. Special request last time we went ice fishing I brought the macaroni and forgot the wieners. So this time everybody left me a note to make sure I didn't forget the wieners. You forget something one time. Alright, so we're just finishing up some lunch. I'm trying one of these, I don't know, Mountain House survival meals. I put too much water in, just like it said don't do. We're gonna give it a try. Thomas just caught a fish. So far we've got 2 on the ice side. And just gonna finish up our lunch, having a bit of coffee. And we'll get back at it. Yeah! Nice little sauger. Any pliers?
No, I got it.
Oh, you got him. Nice. Good job.